learn test of divisibility by 6. If the sum of the digits of an even number is 3, 6 or 9, the number is divisible by 6. Okay. So when the digits are added and of an even number, okay, when the digits are added of an even number, then we should get the answer as what? 3, 6 or 9 when you add it. Then we can say that the number which we have taken is divisible by 6. Okay children, I have 2 examples on the board. Please have a look. Here, first example is 2064. So in 2064, I am going to add all the digits. 2 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4. So when I add all the digits, I am getting 12. Okay. And children, you need to observe this, that this number is what? A even number. It is not a odd number, right? It is an even number. So now that's the reason I am going to add all the digits. If it is an odd number, I am not going to do it because it is not divisible by 6 directly. Okay, as it is an even number, I have added all the digits of the number, I got 12. Again, this is a 2-digit number and it is an even number. Again, I am going to add the digits of 12. So, it is 1 plus 2. The answer is 3. Okay, as I got the sum of the digits of an even number is 3, then I can say that this number is divisible by 6. Okay, now the second example, it is 9180. Right? So I am going to add all the digits of this 4-digit number, even number. Okay? Even number. 9 plus 1 plus 8 plus 0. Yes? After adding all the digits, I got the answer as 18. Again, this is a 2-digit number and it is also an even number. I am going to add it again or add it again. So it is 1 plus 8. The sum is or the answer is 9. So I can say that this number 9180 is divisible by 6. So children, you need to remember that to test the divisibility by 6, we need to check first before adding the digits whether it is an even or odd number. If it is an even number, you can check by adding the number, and if you get 3, 6 or 9, then you can say it is divisible by 6. If it is an odd number, you can stop it there and you can directly say that this is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 6. Now we will be learning divisibility by 7. Now we will learn test of divisibility by 8. So if a number formed by the last 3 digits, okay, so in a number, what are the last 3 digits children? Ones, tens and hundreds column, right, is divided by 8. Then the number is divisible by 8. Okay. So to have a better understanding, I have taken some examples on the board. We'll have a look. So the first example is 7128. Okay. So I can say that, or we can see that on the board in the last 3 digits, I have 1, 2 and 8. So in the ones column it is 8, in the tens column it is 2 and in the hundreds column it is 1. Okay children, now see. When I add, when the last 3 digits, 128, okay, ones, tens and hundreds column, okay, digits are divided by 8. I need to check that 128 in 8 table if it is divisible or not. If I can divide 128 with 8 table exactly without a reminder, then I can say that this whole number 7128 is divisible by 8. Okay. Now, moving on to the next example, it is 9240. Okay. In the last 3 digits column, that is hundreds, tens and ones column, I have 240. Okay. So, 240 is divided by 8. Okay. So, as 240 is divided by 8, I can say that this whole number 9240 is also divisible by 8. Okay. Now, moving on to the next example, it is 6112. So, in the last 3 digits columns, that is 112, I can say that 112 is divided by 8. So, the whole number 6112 is also divisible by 8. Now, in the next example, I have 9064. So, 9064, the last 3 digits are 064. So, as in the hundreds we having any value now, where I can only 3 digits, okay? So 064, I can take, right? 064 is nothing but 64, right? So I can say that 64 or 064 is divided by 8. So the whole number 9064 is also divided by 8. Now we will learn the divisibility rule of 9. Now we will learn the divisibility rule of 9. Okay? If sum of the digits of a number is 9, the number is divisible by 9. So what it is saying, any number, it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits or any number of digits in it. So if you add all the digits of the number, then the sum, okay, after adding the numbers, should be 9. Then we can say that that number is divisible by 9. So on the board I have 2 examples, children. Please have a look. Here the number is 6534. So I am adding all the digits of the number 6534, right? So 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. So when I add all the digits, I am getting 18 as the sum. Okay, again this 18 is a 2-digit number. So I am adding again 1 plus 8. So the answer, final answer or the final sum is nothing but 9. So according to the statement, the sum of the digits of a number is 9. The number is divisible by 9. So I got the sum of the digits as 9. So I can say that this number is divisible by 9. Now the second example is 7002. Right? So 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. So if I add all the digits of the number, then I am getting the answer of the sum as 9. So by seeing this, I can say that this number 7002 is divisible by 9. Now we will move on to divisibility test, divisibility rule of 10. If a number has 0 at its ones place, okay, it is divisible by 10. So children, according to by the statement, I can say that if a number is having 0, okay, it should have 0 in which place? In the ones place. Then I can directly say that by seeing the number, it is divisible by 10. Okay, I have taken some examples. You can observe that in all the examples, we have 0 in the ones place. Okay, in the number 7340, 9870, 3920, 8920, and so on. Any example if you take which is having 0 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place, I can say that all these numbers are having 0 in the ones place. So these all numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. Now children, this is how you use test of divisibility of 0, 1, 2, 3, so on and up to 10, where we can divide a number just by observing the last digits or adding the digits or just observing the number. We can say that this particular number is divided by a number up to 1 to 10. So there is an exercise in your textbook where you can practice this test of divisibility, and also there are more examples, and also please again go through the test of divisibility rules from your textbook.